Hi, my name is Cindy Cisneros. I am a certified creativity coach, and you have found the Business Basics for Artists courses. Now, this is a short introduction that goes with a longer video tutorial on the same topic. So if this shorter introduction is helpful, then take a look at the full tutorial that goes with this video. And this week, we're going to be talking about social media strategy marketing for artists. When you're doing marketing, and we've talked about marketing strategy for artists, one of the places that you're probably going to want to use a lot of your marketing strategy is on social media. So this tutorial is going to talk a lot about how to organize and plan and get your marketing and branding out there in a cohesive and consistent way so that people know where to find you and know how to buy your art. And it's going to give you information on which social media platforms you're likely to find your audience in, and how often to post, how to choose the themes that you want for your content, plan in advance. So if this is something that would help you with your art marketing, take a look at the longer tutorial. And if you're not signed up for the Business Basics for Artists course, where you can also find written content, downloadables, worksheets, and an online community and more, that's free. And take a look at the link in my profile and get started with that as well. Hopefully helpful.